In this video we are going to see how to reverse a number without using arrays. In my previous video I have shown the reverse a number with the arrays. Now we are going to see without the arrays how to reverse a number. So this is a sample input. We should take a variable like in, which is of equals to 7654, and we need to print the sample output like with the out variable of 4567. So let us take the two variables which has been given like in and out. Let us take the input to the in variable from the user end only. For that purpose, like printf, I am advising user like this. This is how I am going to scan the value to the in variable. Let initially the out is equals to 0. Now what I am doing is like I am multiplying the out variable with 10. So you will get later what is the help of this, like out is multiplying with 10 and copying into the same variable. Later I am doing the modulus division operation on the in with 10. So when we perform modulus division with 10 of int variable, then we are going to get the remainder like when 7654 modulus division with 10, we are going to get remainder like 4. So like the out is equals to, you can see, you will get clear, out is equals to in modulus division with 10 means the 4 is, the remainder is 4 at this point. The remainder is 4 which is copying into the out. Again, what is the value in the out, we need to add with the remainder like plus out. So you don't get confused. We are taking the remainder value and adding to the out. So in next line what I am going to do, like here up to, so out is multiplied with 10, so 0 is multiplied with 10, there is no effect, which is 0. Later in second line the in modulus division with 10 means 7654 is modulus division with 10 means we are going to get the remainder as 4 plus the out value. In the out, what is the value? It is a 0. So 4 plus 0, which is copying into the output variable. So the out is now 4. So we are moved the 4 to the out variable. Later we need to cancel out the 4. So we need to perform the operation on only 765 only. So what I am going to do, like the in, which is of equals to in when divided with 10, like when divided with 10 means, which is like the in means the 7654 when divided with 10, the quotient is copying into the in variable, like 7654 when divided with 10, the quotient is 765 only now. So up to now the 765 only is again copying into the in variable. So this is the meaning of that. So we need to perform up to the seventh number, the number 7, like it is a continue operation. So we need to take the help of one loop. Let us take the while loop. So inside this we need to write the condition like up to how many times or up to how many iterations we need to repeat. Like, so when 7 is modulus division with 10, the quotient is 0. Like when in is greater than 0, we need to continue the iteration. When the in is equal to 0 or less than 0, then we need to stop the iterations. So inside this while I am giving this the bunch of code. You can see how I am going to give. So after this end of the loop, I am giving one printf statement like to print the value of out, like it is given like we need to print in such manner like out is equals to %d. So the variable, so the value is stored in the out. So now if I run the program, you can see here it is asking enter the num. Like we are taking the sample input like 7 6 5 4. Now if I press enter, you can see here it is of some segmentation fault. Sorry, here we need to use the %. If again I run the program, you can see when I give the sample input like 7654, when I press enter, you can see the output is 4567. Again, suppose in the placement questions you may ask like, without using of any loops, reverse a number. Like without using of any loops, we need to reverse the number. Here I taken a while loop. You can use of any other loops like for also. Like to for, you need to keep simply empty of the initialization of for. If I again run the program, if I give the same values like 7654, if I press enter, you can see it is giving the same number. Otherwise, if we initialize also, like let us take the variable like one I, let I is of like something, you can give of any number, let I be I plus plus. So if again I run the program, if again I give the value like 7654, if I press enter, you can see it is also giving the same. You can use of any loops. Now the question is like, we should not use loop and we should reverse the number. Like I am removing this thing and here also this thing. So without using the loops means we can use, like you have an idea on the go to statement, like I think so. If the in is greater than 0, then we need to again move to we need to go to like a. I am placing the value of a here. I am placing the a here. So again if I run the program, you can see it is asking enter the number, like I am giving the same number like 7654. Now if I press enter, you can see it is printing the same value.